What's the meaning of clear and present danger? Clear and present danger. Clear and present danger.
Clear and present danger. Clear and present danger. Clear and present danger is a term used in law to describe a situation where there is a real and immediate threat to the safety or security of individuals or society as a whole. It refers to a situation where action must be taken to prevent harm before it occurs. The term often arises in the context of free speech, where limitations can be placed on speech that poses a clear and present danger. In essence, it means that the danger is so obvious and pressing that it cannot be ignored and must be dealt with immediately.